The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central Tuscaloosa County until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near University Mall, or near Holt, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tuscaloosa, Holt, Brookwood, Lake Wildwood, Bull City, University Mall, Deer Lick Creek Campgrounds, Bankhead Lock and Dam, Fleetwood, Cottondale, East Brookwood, Camp Hornby South Bay, Peterson, Lake Harris and Holt Lock and Dam. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 64, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Tuscaloosa and Walker. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 64 has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Tuscaloosa and Walker.